Hi, family. Happy Tuesday. Today, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to ask you some questions. Yes, I'm going to ask the subscribers some questions. I know you watch my videos, so I just want to know, what have you learned? What have you applied? I got a wonderful letter from Miss Martha. I want to say thank you, Miss Martha. I really appreciate it. I see that you know, things are changing in your life. I can't say the word healing, but to me it's healing time. I'll just put it like that. It's healing time. But I appreciate your message. It was received, and just want to say thank you. So back to my questions. What have you changed, to my subscribers? What have you changed differently? Have you drank more than 50 ounces of water? Just want to know simple things of water. Are you starting to drink more water? Have you implemented more water in your life? Have you done a detox or a fast or a cleanse? And a simple detox, just starting off, you can juice all day, add some herbs. Another thing you can do for is fasting. You can fast 6 hours, or you can fast 12 hours, or you can do 24 hours. You know, another question, are you really listening to your body? I know you're like, Viola, I really don't understand. You'll get it if you actually take the time and meditate. Meditate 5, 10 minutes, try a minute. Put a stopwatch on, try a minute. Just sit there and listen to your body. You know, especially you already know when you're hungry. You already know when you're hungry. You kind of know when you're stressed. But just think, when you have a sudden headache, it could have been something you ate, something you smell, something you put around, something you put on your body. Your body do talk to yourself. So I just want to know, to my subscribers, are you taking care of yourself? Have you changed one thing? Just one thing. Have you changed one thing from watching my videos, or watching? Have you implemented in your life? That's all I want to know. Just want to, at least, just want to hear from you. Yes. Support at Very Wise Alternatives. We're here. I committed Tuesdays just to help the subscribers. Yes. I know you're like, Viola, you're putting yourself out there. Just, little simple things. I don't mind. You could reach out. We're here. There's a lot of herbalists here that can help you. Yes. Um, Very Wise Alternative is just me. It's just me, you guys. But there's other herbalists that I do know, like herbalist Diane. Purple Sage for Healthy Living. She reaches out to the older community. I'm in my 50s, so she helped people in their 60s and beyond. So, just let me know. I'll put her contact information down below, and you can reach out to her. Just like for children, I know that Herbalist Sakina, she helps the children. She has a area for children. But I just want to reach out to you guys and just see if you drinking the water. Are you meditating? Are you getting out in the sun? You know what I'm saying? You're doing the 10,000 steps. I just want to make sure you're active. I want to make sure that you taking the time to correct what you need to correct, just to have a healthier you. That is all. Just trying to reach out so you have a healthier you. So I would love to hear your comments. Seriously, put them down below. Just put your comments down below. I just want to make sure that you are taking care of you, so you won't, get older or much older and be in so much pain that you pop in medication, and on medication, you know what I mean, and filling the prescription over and over and over again. And that's where your money's going, instead of you taking that money and going on vacation. But just want to know, what are you doing? Are you detoxing? How you fast? What have done for you? Just reach out, put the comments down below. And I just want to make sure you have a healthier you. That is all. That is all. I'm the gut person. I'm just the gut person. Just making sure. And another question, are you at least pooping at least once a day? Yes, I would love for you to do it 2 to 3 times a day, but at least once a day. Are you going once a day? So since I'm asking you guys some questions, I want you to join me upstairs. I'm gonna show you what I added to my garden, and I'm just gonna do a quick breakfast or just a quick meal to show you what I'm doing. So come on, let's go upstairs. Just want to see if you started your garden. I added some aloe, Then I added some oregano and I added cilantro because I use it all the time. So I just want to make sure that I have it. So I started my babies. So I just want to show you the cabbage is coming along. But I did have a couple of blossoms. So that is my roses. It's surviving. The rose I just planted surviving. We have a few that's blooming. And yeah, guys can see the yard of what I started. So I want to know, what are you juicing? Okay, family, I'm going to share just my breakfast. Just going to put a little smoothie together. Just my little concoction. I'm prepping for at least 4 days. So I just drink one in the morning. So you're going to see me make my breakfast. Like, you can either make it for your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. Is totally up to you. You can make larger jars, but I'm just going to show you what I do. Look, I do this for me. So don't go, oh, how many ounces, how many this. I just do this for me. So I'm going to probably put a teaspoon of each herb, and then, well, you'll see when I get done. So just going to do something quick for you guys, just to show you how I do, a meal. So right now I'm just going to use some strawberries, frozen strawberries. Added a handful of spinach. I freshly squeezed my lemon. So I actually squeeze my lemon. So I always prep for the week. So this is lemon. So I don't just put a splash. So just put a little bit. And then I'm going to add some ashwagandha. Like I said, you guys, I'm just adding maybe a half a teaspoon of each. So I'm adding ashwagandha. So cayenne pepper. I'm just doing a pinch, you guys, not a lot. Just a little pinch. Just a little kick. I'm using Corella. I'm just doing a little bit of Corella. That's maybe an eighth of a teaspoon. Spirulina. Eighth of a teaspoon. Yes, I know I said a teaspoon of full, but I'm just doing an eighth of a teaspoon. Just the eighth. I'm going to add a little bit of McThistle. McThistle, I'm doing half a teaspoon. And I'm just doing this for me, you guys. Just doing this for me. And then I need to buy some more moringa. So I'm just using just the eighth. Just the eighth. Frozen ginger. So I'm just using a little piece. Just use a little piece of ginger. Yes. If you have some fresh, it's okay. So I like to freeze things. So I got my hemp powder. So the hemp powder, I'm just add just 1 tablespoon. A little bit of flax seeds in there. Just a little bit. A little bit of flax seeds. 1 cup. This is my reverse osmosis tank here. And I just do 1. I fill it up. I just use 1 and I estimate it. So if I need more, I just add more. So this you seeing me making my breakfast. So we'll see how it goes. So I don't eat for taste, you guys. I don't eat for taste. So Here we go. Plugged in. And there you have it. There you have it. My breakfast. It's not bad. It's actually good. The other one's in the refrigerator. So this is just me finishing my breakfast. Hope you guys enjoyed. And look, you can add whatever you want, whatever you have upstairs. That was just upstairs. All I did was bring my ashwagandha upstairs because I wanted something for my brain. So just wanted something. You know, it helps with so many different things. It helped me rest, help my nerves. But that's my breakfast. You know, I could do it for lunch, dinner, whatever, snack. It all depends on what you want to do. So look, cheers. Look, happy Tuesdays. Like, share, subscribe. I know you already subscribed, but get some more people to subscribe. But you guys, look, enjoy your Tuesdays. And this is good. So Tuesday is, what are you doing for you? What have you changed for you? And just put the comments down below. So bye.